G'day, Glenn Morris from the Smart Energy Lab. And today, it's the weekend, so I'm chilling out. One of the things I like to do in the weekend is get out of the place, go somewhere a little bit remote maybe, somewhere where there's no power. And that's where this Callsun foldable, portable solar panel comes in handy. I've got my little portable power station, but they run out of power. And on a day like today, what could be better than to charge it from sun? So these are really sturdily built. Very high efficiency, over 23.6% from memory, conversion efficiency. That's one of the highest I've seen for a portable panel ever. They're really sturdily built. This thing feels like it'll take the knocks in the back of your car, but you don't really want to bend it too much because it is a monocrystalline cell, but it's got a very strong supporting structure to protect it from accidental damage. It's also got a huge range of plugs. So you can connect to XT60, to the Mini Andersons, to a whole range of barrel connectors. It's even got USB as well. So you can charge your phone with this thing at 110 watts or something. It'll charge your phone super quick. Yeah, I'm loving my Callsun foldable portable panel. Check it.